Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Where there is love, there is life. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. Love is a language spoken by everyone, but understood only by the heart. My love for you is past the mind, beyond my heart, and into my soul. The best love is the one that makes you a better person without changing you into someone else. Your love is all I need to feel complete. Love is not about possession, it's all about appreciation. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. I still fall for you every day. Love grows by giving. One word frees us of all the weight and pain of life. That word is love. Love is when you look into someone's eyes and see their heart. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Love is a game that two can play and both win. You're my favorite notification. Love is friendship set on fire. Love conquers all. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love is not what you say. Love is what you do. Love is the beauty of the soul. You complete me. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. To love and be loved is everything. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. With you, I am home.